Okay, we got an old push mower here. This is a Tomboy model, 22-inch cut, made by Hannibal Mower Corporation out of Hannibal, Missouri. I do believe this engine is the original to the deck. The engine is a 1970 Briggs and Stratton. I found some information online that this company did extend into the early 70s. So I tend to believe that the engine is the original to it. Runs pretty good. The carburetor could probably still use a little bit of cleaning out. Gas tank's real nice and clean. It's got what looks like the two original tires on this side. The two wheels and tires on the other side are ones I had that just happen to be the same size, and they're not going to go with the mower. But it doesn't run bad. It cuts real nice. I actually mowed some of my yard with it. So let's give her a try.